the taste of your tongue. Oh, I'm melting when you're gone. Sweet was the day when you finally came. I could hold you in my arms, and then you sang to me a song about how we were meant to be. My body aches when you went away, but I always knew you'd come back, so I could finish the song and we could both sing along. I'm not saying it was perfect, I'm just saying it was meant to be. I'm not saying that you one day, but in the end, boy, you found me. I'm not saying it was perfect, I'm just saying it was meant to be. I'm not saying that you one day, but in the end, boy, you found me. You found me. You found me. We were lovers, and we are till the very end. 'Cause boy, you kept my heart. We were lovers, and we are till the very end. 'Cause boy, you kept my heart. We were lovers, and we are till the very end. 'Cause boy, you kept my heart.
can. That's cause I'm like a Titan with this ink pen in my hand. Like damn, I go through emotions so quick like sand. I'm building up my ego again, but then I put the pen down and I don't even know who I am. A post on the gram, don't show where I've been. I feel what you don't understand. The clouds in my head, yeah, they come and they go with the wind. Hallucinogens come into my room when I'm sleeping at night, but I try to fight it and I lose and they win. They write on my wall and I don't even know what it's in. Maybe it's Latin, maybe it's French. Either way, I write it down for the win. Couldn't see, but I know it's a him. Yeah, so black that I couldn't see a thing. Wonder why they even visited Tink. But I'm thankful for the lyrics, my friend. I'm short circuit and hurting them with my verses. I feel like a beast emerging from cages, cause I'm a hermit. I stay to myself for ages while flying up into rages. Then catatonia dazes, I'm hitting my peaking stages. My mind stay falling in these darker spaces. I'm out of patience and I don't even know how to explain it. Both my brain and my heart are trying to race it. Adrenalation, that's the high I'm feeling when I'm creating. I'm amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm amazing, 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 amazing. Every time I close my eyes and go to sleep, I bring my dream alive with things that you can't see. I write my feelings down just like a diary and head upstream. And I bring my thoughts along with me so you can see. The plane I'm flying so high and just dropped from a bombing. The ominous promise I made to acknowledge this nonsense. The highs and lows ain't as hard as it gets yet. I'm developing as an artist, I'm not 100% yet.